everybody, I'm Nancy G. Baker. How many of you out there want to eat healthier? Raise your hand. I know I made the decision to eat healthier, and I will tell you, there's new ingredients you have to buy, there's ones you have to replace, it can get expensive, and also cooking in general is just time consuming. Now I have been sharing more recipes, and it's not that I like to cook, it's that I like to eat. So as I find these recipes and kind of change them up so they're healthier, I want to share that with you guys. One of the things I've made today, or I'm sharing, is this fruit cobbler. Now I'm calling it fruit cobbler because growing up I had apple pie, and I loved apple pie. You can make this with apples, you can make it with blueberries, you can make it with any kind of fruit. I tend to do half apples and half blueberries. But just thinking back to what I used to eat, if you think about the apple pie, it tasted awesome, but you had that crust, and it was made with shortening and flour, which are not really good for us. It did have a bunch of apples, but after that, I remember two toppings we'd make. One was sugar with nutmeg and cinnamon that we'd sprinkle on top, and then the other, it was a stick of butter and maybe a cup of flour. I don't remember at this point, but it was a lot of stuff that we added into there that was not good for us. We didn't know at the time. I mean, I grew up on Kool-Aid and Jell-O salads, and so there's just a lot of stuff we didn't know better at the time, but now we do. So I want to share with you this cobbler recipe I've come up with. It is a healthier option, and it really tastes good. So with that said, let's begin.